How to change your avatar in PUBG Mobile on iPhone. So if you want to change your avatar in PUBG Mobile on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your PUBG on your Android or on your iPhone. It's the same process. After opening, you will have this kind of interface, right? Once you come to this lobby here, you just need to simply go with the top right or on your top left and tap right beside your name, which is right here on the top left. And you'll find this kind of interface. This is going to bring up all of your profile options. So you could just simply go ahead and tap on your name, or you have your avatar right here. After that, you will have two options, which is change avatar or change avatar frame. So if you want to change your avatar, you need to tap on change avatar. And of course, you have to unlock the avatar, especially if you need to set them as a wallpaper for your profile. And you can select any of those from here. Or you can also scroll down. You will have these many options. You can scroll down and choose the frame. You can choose a nickname effect. You can also go with custom and choose any custom avatars if you want to. So that's how you can change your avatar in your PUBG Mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.